Hi, this is Robert, and today I'm going to share a few ideas about herbs you can use for type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Herbs can help control the symptoms of type 1 and type 2 diabetes. If you use herbs for your illness, it's important to use the correct herb for the type of diabetes that you have. If you read many articles on the subject, you'll soon find that most of them don't clearly specify which herbs are best suited for type 1 and which are best for type 2. A type 2 diabetic has a problem called insulin resistance, but their pancreas can still produce insulin. The pancreas of a type 1 diabetic needs some help because it doesn't produce enough insulin. If a type 2 diabetic uses an herb that should be used by a type 1 diabetic, it can make matters worse. If a type 1 diabetic uses an herb that doesn't help their pancreas, it won't do much good. A type 2 diabetic doesn't need more insulin, they need less insulin resistance. And thankfully, there are herbs that will help a type 1 diabetic produce more insulin naturally. Herbs such as cinnamon, turmeric, sage, saw palmetto, amla, and spirulina can help a type 2 diabetic. Herbs like dandelion and bitter melon are more beneficial to a type 1 diabetic. Other herbs that may be helpful are chamomile, cumin, dill, fennel, garlic, ginger, peppermint, rosemary, stevia, tarragon, and thyme. If you decide to use herbs, be sure to consult with a qualified licensed professional before you start taking herbs on a regular basis. Please read the video description for additional information and important details. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.